welcome to Nan Kitchen. Today I want to show you with the one recipe which is one of the famous in the Pakistan, which is Keema Matar. Keema Matar means minced beef with cooking with the green peas. So let's get started. Okay, now let's see our recipe. First of all, we already placed the cooking pot on the fire, and now I will add the water. This is 1 cup of water, and at the same time you will add the half kilo of meat. This is minced beef. Then I will add sliced onion, ginger garlic paste, sliced tomatoes, and now I'm going to add the spices. So I will start from the salt. 1 tablespoon of salt, half tablespoon of coriander powder, half tablespoon of healthy powder, and half tablespoon of red chili powder, and also I will add the same amount of chili flakes and garam masala. And I will mix it all ingredients. After you mix all the ingredients, you can cover it and you will wait for until all the ingredients are boiling together. Okay, now it's all are mixing well. So now I will cover with the lid and I will wait for the boiling. Okay, this is our first check. Let's see how is it. Water is getting dry, so just mix it at least 1 time, and we will wait for until the water is totally dry out. Now for now we will just cover it. Now we will add the 1 cup of date, and at the same time we will add the mattar. This is the green peas, and you will just stir it, and you will wait for until the green peas are cooked. Now water is almost dry out, so now it's time to add the green chilies. Green chili is the optional. If you like to add more, you can add it for the more spicy. Time to add the half cup of ghee. This is the half cup of ghee to roast the curry, and then you will just roast it. We will roast it for 5 to 10 minutes and the curry will be ready. As you can see, our oils are come out and it means it's already roasted well. So it's time to remove from the wood fire and we will dish out. Okay. Wow, the smell is very good. It will be very yummy. We will transfer it all into the plate. So we already dish out in the plate and we will start the garnishing. This one I will sprinkle the coriander leaves from the top, and the smell will be very nice and very tasty as well. This is the ginger, sliced gingers, and you can squeeze from the lemon from the top, and you can pair with the roti, chapati or naan bread, whatever you prefer with. So this is the best dish for to pair with everything. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, and if you have any comment you can write it down. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.